Starting your dropshipping business on DropshipAfrica is an exciting journey towards financial independence. And guess what? You can begin earning income within your first 1 to 2 weeks. In this video, I'll show you how to hit the ground running with 3 proven steps to success. Let's get started. Step 1. Take out time to watch all recommended videos for new dropshippers. These videos cover essential topics such as how DropshipAfrica works, choosing profitable products, setting up your online store, and effective marketing strategies. Watching these videos will give you a solid foundation and help you avoid common mistakes that new dropshippers make. So, take notes and ask questions where necessary to fully understand each concept. Step 2. The more variety you offer, the more attractive your store becomes. Thankfully, the DropshipAfrica virtual warehouse has a wide selection of products for you to choose from. Focus on trending items or products with high demand. Select items that cater to a specific niche market to stand out from competitors. Quick tips for uploading products. 1. Use high quality images. 2nd, optimize product titles with keywords for better searchability. Next, write detailed descriptions. And then price your products competitively to attract customers. Marketing is the lifeblood of your business. Use social media to create engaging posts, stories, and ads. Don't forget those catchy captions, hashtags, and calls to action. Other effective strategies include running targeted Google ads to reach active buyers, sharing your store link with family, friends, and your network, creating contents like product reviews or unboxing videos to build interest. Dedicate 1 to 2 hours daily to promotion. Consistency builds awareness and trust, which ultimately leads to sales. Final note, stay committed and track your progress. Monitor your sales, refine your strategies, and keep going. With DropshipAfrica's support and your dedication, you're well on your way to building a thriving dropshipping business. So, what are you waiting for? Start now. Follow these steps and watch your dropshipping business grow. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone looking to start their dropshipping business. See you in the next video.